When mounting exterior fixtures on vinyl siding where the siding contractor provides a vinyl block, your proposed method is generally acceptable. Firstly, prepare the fixture whip by connecting the non-metallic sheath cable to the fixture wires according to the manufacturer's instructions. Be sure to leave sufficient slack in the whip to reach the fixture and to allow for future maintenance. Secondly, poke the fixture whip through the back of the oriented strand board, making sure that the cable is protected from sharp edges. Thirdly, make the electrical connections between the fixture wires and the non-metallic sheath cable inside the vinyl block. Use wire nuts or other approved connectors. Fourthly, mount the fixture on the face of the block, aligning it with the screw holes provided. Fifthly, carefully snap the fixture into place on the back of the block. The vinyl block should securely hold the fixture in place. Regarding National Electrical Code Section 300.15e, this requirement applies to enclosures for switches or receptacles mounted on exterior surfaces of buildings. It states that the enclosure must be weatherproof, durable, and provide a degree of protection from physical damage. In this case, the vinyl block can be considered an enclosure that meets these criteria. This method is commonly used by residential electricians when installing exterior fixtures on vinyl siding. It is a quick and effective way to provide a secure and weatherproof mounting for the fixture. As additional tips, use a weatherproof sealant around the perimeter of the fixture where it meets the siding to prevent moisture intrusion. Also, consider using a gasket or foam washer between the fixture and the siding to further improve weatherproofing. Finally, inspect the fixture connections and weatherproofing periodically to ensure they are in good condition. Always refer to your local electrical codes and regulations for specific requirements in your area. Remember safety first when working with electricity.